So this video is all about how to move around with your character in BYOB. Now there's a couple of approaches you can take to this, and it depends on how you want your character to move. So the first one, which is really easy, is to use arrow keys. We've all played games that do this. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this event here. So when space key is pressed, so when the space key is pressed, that triggers an event in the computer, and this event will cause the piece of code attached to this header to run. Now I'm going to say the up arrow, and I'm going to then come up to motion here, and I'm going to first of all point in a particular direction. So I'm going to say let's point up, and then we're going to move 10 steps up. Now of course we're going to do this for the other 4 arrows as well, so I'm just going to duplicate this. Let's do it nice and quick. There we are, and like that. And I'm going to change this one to down, and then the direction to down, this one to left, and the direction to left, and this one to right, and last of all the direction to right. And what we can find, I'm going to press the right arrow key now, is that's fine, and when we go up, what we find is that this character sort of turns on his side and this kind of thing, which might be alright, but it's a little bit odd. So what I'm going to do is just click on this here. This is the rotational symmetry that your character has. So this one, whatever direction he's pointed in, he'll face. But I'm just going to have him on left right now, so he'll only turn left and right. And look, we can go left, we can go right, we can go up, and we can go down, and that's absolutely fine. So there we are, a moving character. We might want to just make him a little bit smaller, because otherwise there's not much space on here for anything else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new sprite now, and I'm going to add in a dragon, and this dragon is going to move slightly differently. So I'm going to resize him again, just bring his size down like that, and what I'm going to make him respond to is the mouse. Now there's a few things we could do here, but most importantly we want this to happen all the time. So the green flag starts the game, so we're going to start this when the green flag is clicked, and we're going to put in a forever loop. So that means it just keeps on doing what's inside of here forever and ever and ever. Now the next step is we want to say under motion that we're going to point him towards the mouse pointer. Notice here it says hero. If we selected that, this is our little hero down here, it would make him point towards this character wherever he is, but we're going to point towards the mouse pointer, and then we're going to move 3 steps. So I'm going to click the green flag, and we can see that the dragon is following the mouse pointer. Pretty cool. So I'm going to stop that, and there's one last method I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put in a new sprite again. Let's have a fantasy one here, and resize, and I'm again going to put in one of these forever loops, and what I'm going to just say is I'm going to set X, so set his X position to be the mouse pointer's X position. So I'm going to go into sensing, and we should be able to select, where is it, mouse X, like this. So I'm going to set X to be the same as the mouse, and now when we run the game we can see that he's following the mouse pointer wherever I put him. We could set the Y as well. We can go with our keys here, and you can see our dragon is following the mouse pointer as well. So those are the 3 ways of moving. There are a few others, but those are the most important 3 ways. Thanks for watching.